it's Jennifer, and I have for you today December the 9th. I know we're getting there, aren't we? This is December the 9th Advent opening. So let me pull out the Southern Skeins calendar and pull out December the 9th. There's December the 9th. Okay. And set that over there. Make sure it doesn't fall or knock anything over. Alright, let's find the 9th on here. There's the 9th. And this one is a needle threader. Okay. Oh, these are cute. So these are needle threaders. I'm going to bring them over and show them to you. Get that box closed. So these are needle threaders. There's the black one. You can see it. Kind of see it there. And then there is a white one. There it is. You can see that one. So these will be handy. Definitely come in handy. And then Southern Skeins. Let's see what color this one is. Oh, that's beautiful blue. There it is. And then we had yesterday's and the day before. Aren't they beautiful? Love those. Love, love, love those. I like those. And then we will go to the 9th on the Wooble calendar. And it comes with a big brown, a little bit of red, and a little bit of white. And we are going to be making a tiny gingerbread house. So there it is. A tiny gingerbread house. That's adorable. And if you remember, yesterday we got the little ornament, and the day before that we got the little present. So those are super cute. I am really loving the Woobles. I love these. These are nice and sturdy. You can't just like bend them. They're like really sturdy. So that's super cute. Alrighty. So, stay tuned for tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.